Guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my Nespresso coffee. So here my Nespresso from Starbucks, and here's our machine. So all you need to do, guys, is just put water in the back side of the machine. So here it is. Pour water on it, and then open this one and put this capsule inside of it. So make sure that it's facing here, the capsule. Okay, then after that, just close it. And of course, you need to press this button. So now it's blinking. Wait until the blink stops. And when it stops, then press it. Okay, waiting. So now the blink is stopped already. So you can push the button. Now you can hear the sound. So meaning your coffee is already done. Just wait for a minute and your Starbucks coffee is ready. See guys, very easy, especially this winter time. See guys, in just a minute your Nespresso is ready. No need to go out, especially this winter time. Just bring Starbucks at your home. I can smell the aroma of the Nespresso. Now my Nespresso coffee is ready. See guys, it's very easy. In just a minute your Nespresso is ready. So bye for now guys. I will enjoy my coffee. Don't forget to start your day with a smile. Love, love, love. Thanks for watching. Bye.